$1,000 a month was the goal, and I'll show you this right now. So let's not mess about. Let's minimize the screen, and you will see over here we currently have passed over $1,000. We're currently up to $1,149. So let me give you a quick recap on this. Let's close this. Okay, so this is my own community over on Skool. It's called the Faceless Movement. And if you go back through my YouTube channel, probably 2 or 3 videos ago, we set this up as a case study. Now, the whole purpose of this was to get this up to $1,000 a month recurring using our knowledge, skills, and experience. Now, basically, because I'm a bit thick, I don't do educational stuff, I earn online with faceless content, and obviously I've got this YouTube channel, but predominantly a lot of my earnings come from faceless YouTube, faceless TikTok. We do digital marketing and other bits. So everything I am doing online, I have put over into this community. And over on Skool, you'll see they have this over here. So they've got the community tab, which is obviously where everybody can come in here, ask questions, speak to each other, share advice and other bits. Then we have got the classroom. Now, in the classrooms, you can have a full topic around a subject. Okay, so you'll see in here we have got how to create viral AI videos, how to set up a faceless YouTube channel. We've got faceless Facebook. That's a mouthful, isn't it? Facebook marketing, Instagram, digital marketing. We've added, and we've also added in quite a few other bits inside of here. So basically, I am charging $10 a month for people to come into this little community over here. And I'll show you an example of a classroom. So we'll just look at, let's just go into this one, the viral AI videos. So if people in the community want to learn how to create faceless AI videos and how to monetize it, then this over here walks them through the whole process. So you will see the process of creating these videos. So we've got this literally step by step, and then we've also got links out to prompts and other bits to help them. So we've got the process, so how to do this from scratch. We've then got different niches if you want to go down that route, or categories. So we show people how to make superhero videos, and we give them the prompts for this. And then you can see we've got loads more other ones in there. So we've got the process, we've got the different niches, and then as I've been learning and doing this method myself, I'm always looking at new resources, new softwares, new prompts. Anything I am learning is going in here. So one that we looked at recently was this. We've been testing out these channels over on TikTok, these ASMR videos, and because I'm doing it again myself, everything I've done goes into here. So if people want to learn how to do these sorts of videos, then we show them the process. And there's an example video. Like that, okay? And then we've got prompts down here for them. So that is basically that classroom over there. Will show them how to go through this process. We've then also got the other classrooms, so faceless YouTube, faceless marketing, digital marketing. There's loads of stuff in here. And yeah, some of them have case studies as well. So you can see in here, we've got case study for this one. So this is basically everything what has been happening for the last probably 5 to 6 weeks with this. Now, obviously, because I want to keep people engaged inside of this community, I want them to keep coming back and obviously keep paying the $10 a month. I'm trying to not only give them as much value as possible, but also help out as much as possible. So what we've done is we've got all of the different classrooms, and one that we recently put in there was this over here. This again is something I've been testing out on Facebook on my own profile, okay? And it's basically how you can get monetized on Facebook. It's going to be really big for the rest of this year and probably going to be the new thing next year, okay? So I've started to see this is starting to trend over on Facebook. So as part of this, I actually created my own little software inside of ChatGPT. And this over here, let me click on here, access, it opens up over here for you. And then this is just, it's a GPT inside of ChatGPT. And basically you can see if you look, it creates niche specific faceless content threads with copy and paste hooks. So all you need to do on this over here is the members will come in and they will put in their niche and also their, their products that they're an affiliate for, or their own products or their own software. And it will basically give them everything they need to go and create these viral threads over on Facebook, which are absolutely exploding. They're going crazy. You can even get it to do a 7-day calendar. So that is in there as well. And that is basically where we're up to with all this, what we're working on. I mean, moving forward, what I'm going to do for this is, so this section over here is pretty much complete. I'm just adding to it when I find new pieces of software and also new prompts. This one's done. This one's done. We've added in a prompt selling course that was put in last week. And then the new one is this one over here, selling printables, because obviously this community is about faceless content. You can't get any more faceless than printables. So I'll show you this really quickly. You can see I've still got a few more bits to do in here. But basically, we're just walking people through the whole process, an introduction, examples, and then once we've done this, we've got customizing the shop, how to set all of this up, different softwares, so different printable softwares, how to use AI to create the different printables, and then additional free resources down here. So look, to use for creating printables, edit and sell these. So basically what I've been doing here is I've been going and buying different PLR around printables that people in the community can basically just download and have absolutely for free. So that is the latest one that's coming. That classroom there, realistically, I think it'll probably be another week before it's done. But then once the printables one is done, moving forward, we'll be updating the gifts and resources, and something that we're going to start doing as well is, and I'll show you this so again you can see everything I'm saying is true, are these different challenges. So we're going to start running 2-week challenges every single month. So the one that we're going to be starting in a couple of days is going to be Faceless, YouTube, and TikTok. And why we're doing this is to get people actually engaged within the community and taking action. Because loads of people, they might go ahead and buy this product over here, or they might sign up to different communities, but many people don't take action. So by doing these little 2-week challenges, and in this one here, we're doing Faceless, YouTube, and TikTok. And basically, as you can see up here, the whole point of it is to start consistency and get people into a routine with it. And once they get into a routine, obviously the results start to stack up really small in the beginning, but then over time they start to compound. And this is just going to help people dive in, really. So yeah, that is where we're up to with it. We've gone past the grand. You can see we've currently got 107 members over in the Faceless movement. So yeah, if you do have any questions about this, then do comment down below. And also, if you are a member of the Faceless movement, let me know. Again, you can comment down below this video, or you can even just comment over in the community over here if there's anything else that you would like adding in. The other thing is over on the gifts and resources, we've added in the viral thread builder. We've also added in the viral hook generator, and we've got a couple more pieces of software that I've got the team working on behind the scenes. So I'm going to be adding in a few more bits in here. But look, it's taken I think five, maybe 6 weeks to hit these goals of a grand a month. I think moving forward, we're going to scale it. Touch wood, we'll get 10 grand a month. But of course, I'll update you on the journey. I'll see you soon.